Tropical storm Cindy has now been downgraded to a tropical depression. Several states are still at risk of flash flooding, while others are already underwater. Don Champion has details from Biloxi, Mississippi.
Cindy made landfall overnight as a tropical storm with sheets of pounding rain and powerful winds in southwest Louisiana. The rising floodwater reached mailboxes in some places, and a canoe was the only way for some people to get around this morning to survey the damage. The tropical storm dumped as much as 10 inches of rain along the Gulf Coast, forcing drivers to abandon cars on washed out roads.
I was going to drive through it, but it was a little too deep to go in there with the car.
Cindy's whipping winds caused trouble as far east as Mobile, Alabama, where a tree toppled into a home.
I'm thankful nobody got hurt. The stuff that's damaged in the house is just stuff, it can be replaced.
In Florida, a tornado touched down, destroying a ball field and uprooting a tree that flattened a truck.
Not usually one for loss at words, but I am now. I can't get over this.
Along this part of the Gulf Coast in Biloxi, the heavy downpours have been happening off and on for 3 days now. The saturated ground and winds have led to concerns about falling trees. The water is also already knee-deep in some parts of the state. The National Weather Service says flash flooding is possible in parts of Texas, Mississippi, and Arkansas. Some areas could receive 6 more inches of rain before the system moves out later today. Don Champion, CBS News, Biloxi, Mississippi.
You look at